Hey guys, want to do a quick review and demo on this Papulo Electric Screwdriver. I got it because it's really good for, doing one-off handy stuff around the house. Right now I'm getting ready to assemble a brand new entertainment center I got, so figured it was a good chance to take it out and show you how well it works. But first I'll show you what's inside the case. So this is the actual electric screwdriver itself here. It has a forward and reverse button. I actually think it's pretty cool. When you after you don't use it for a while, you have to hold this button in order for it to come on. So if you accidentally push it or something and don't mean to, it doesn't come on right away. So that's a good thing, but just remember that, because at first, when I first got it, I hit the button and I just kept tapping the button and it didn't come on, and I didn't know why, but that's the reason. So it's just a feature and it's intentional. And again, for like any homeowner, it comes with a pretty wide variety of different bits, star bits, Phillips flat. It's got some sockets, so all kinds of different nut driver in here. So all kinds of stuff that really a homeowner would need. And then under here, that was another thing I didn't know, because it was supposed to come with a charger, which it does, but it has this other like flex attachment, and I couldn't find it at first. I didn't realize I had to take off that lid, but this thing's pretty cool to get into hard to reach spots. It did come pretty much charged up, but I still put it on the charger anyway overnight just to make sure before I used it, and I keep my instruction packet down here and everything. But anyway, so you see what it comes with, so I'll throw the lid back on here and then let you see me run a couple of these screws in. Okay, so they just slide in. So they just slide in and connect really easy like that. The one thing, I do wish these were magnetic. They don't seem to be very magnetic, but that's not a big deal. So anyway, really easy. Just line up whatever you're doing and just push this button. And it drives them right down. And you'll see, just to be careful, it does have a power adjustment setting here. So 1, you spin it, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 6. So depending on how soft the wood is or whatever you're working on, you want to adjust your power settings so you don't strip out your wood, or maybe not have it set enough to actually drive your screws into your wood. So, but it's been a really super handy tool. Not as big and as powerful as a traditional drill, but definitely better than just using a small screwdriver. So I really love the thing and I do recommend it.